Hi, I'm Leslie. This is your upper body workout. I want you to grab your weights, 2 or 3 pounds, and let's get going. All right, when you're ready, let's start by taking those toes out just nice and wide to the corners of your mat. Pressing that pelvis forward, I want you to bring your palms in. Good, rolling the shoulders up and back. We're gonna lift for 2, and then lower right back down. Again, so nice deep plie. Good, we go single counts this time. Let's go, lift. Good, so lifting up to shoulder height, staying nice and soft through the elbows. Tailbone is heavy, that's it. We have 4 more. Let's go for 4. Good, 3, 2. At the top, find your pulse. Tiny little lift. Good, up. Good, and tailbone is heavy, pulsing down through center. Good, we have 4 more counts. Let's go for 4. 3, I want you to hold low at center. Rotate the palms and lower it down. Lift and lower it down. Good. That's it. 4 more. Let's go for 4, 3. Good, 2. Nice, let's hold low. Let's cactus the arms up to 90 degrees. Good, we're gonna press overhead 2 counts. Pull right back down to 90 again. Lift. Good, single counts here. Let's go, up and pull. So make sure those weights, those elbows are in our peripheral vision. Lift. Again, tailbone dropping down to the ground. Good, let's go for 4, 3. Good, 2. Nice, let's hold low, tiny little pulse right at the bottom. Good, pressing up. See if we can hold that 90-degree angle right at the elbow. Woo, feel the burn. 8 more, let's go for 8, 7, 6, 5. Good, 4, 3, 2. Hold here. We're gonna rotate over to one side and then right back open, nice and slow, over. Good, single counts here, a little faster. Good, so rooting down through that one foot, and then just gently rotating on the ball of the opposite foot. Again, holding that arm at 90 degrees. Good, stay low, stay low. You got it, 4 more. Let's go for 4. Good, 3. Last 2. Holding over there, find a little pulse as we lift, punching up towards the sky, keeping shoulders over hips. Option to lift that 1 foot front foot off the ground, heel raised high. Good, let's go for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and release. Good. Let's come up, leave that one leg behind, hinging forward at the hips. Draw those arms in front, palms face in. Good, let's reach around, 2 counts, nice and slow. Let's go, wide for 2, and down, again slow, lift. Good, single counts here. Let's take it up and right back down, squeezing between the shoulder blades. Option to add on a little step forward with that back foot. Reach. Good. Finding the exhale as we lift, finding length, crown of the head all the way down to that tailbone for 4 more. 3, and then we pulse nice and high. 2, holding at the top, tiny little squeeze. Option to lift that toe off the ground, adding to that pulse. Good, that's it, make it deep. Let's go for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and release. Great job. Let's step together in our parallel position, hinging forward at the hips. Good, pull the elbows high and tight. 2 counts, let's extend. Long for 2, and in. Good, elbows stay high, reach. Good, single counts here. Let's go. Good, yes, that's it. Option to pick up one heel off the ground, side to side, or maybe popping both heels if you're feeling that intensity today for 4 more. 3, good, 2, at the top, find your pulse, tiny little lift. So lengthening out, lifting, feeling all the work in those triceps. Keep that belly tucked in. Let's go for 8, 6, good, 4, 3, let's squeeze towards that midline, squeeze in. Good, squeeze. Nice, 4, 3, 2, and release. Great job, rolling out through those shoulders. Let's come again together in that nice parallel position, palms face out. We're gonna lift for 2, and down. Good, nice and slow again, lift. Good, single counts here. Make sure we're getting that full range of motion all the way up and all the way down. Good, that's it. 4 more, 4, 3, Good, 2, hold at 90 degrees, tiny little squeeze through the arms, squeeze. Feel the contraction with every pulse. Let's go for 8, 7, 6, last 4, 3, 2, and release. Great job, reset, roll through the shoulders. We're coming right back to that nice wide second position. Starting from the top, let's face the palms in. Good, 2 count lift, lateral raise. Side for 2, and down. Again, nice and slow. Good, single counts here. Let's go. Good, again, up, right up to shoulder height if we're feeling tension in neck or shoulders, bending at the elbow, right? From the side, tailbone stays heavy. Let's not stick that bum out, right? Shoulders over hips. Good, we got 4 more, then we pulse. Let's go 4. Good, 3, get low. 2, holding down there, little pulse, little lift. Again, stay soft through the elbows. Good, pull that belly up and in. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Let's rotate those palms. Let's go up and down. Good. Again, holding low isometrically through the lower half. Good. 4, 3, 2. Good. Let's cactus the arms one more time. Press overhead for 2. And right back down again. Slow. Lift. Good. Single counts here. Take it up and right back down. Good, that's it. Again, keeping the weights, the elbows in our peripheral vision as we reach overhead. We got 4 more. Let's go. 4, 3, good, 2. At the bottom, find your pulse. Tiny little press up to the sky. Good, can we get any lower? Good, that's it. 8 counts here. Let's go for 8. For 6, 4, 3, let's rotate opposite sides. So it's nice and slow for 2. And then open again, nice and wide, slow. Good, let's go single counts. That's it, stay low. Good. Nice, you got it. Out and in, holding those arms out nice and wide. Keep the 90-degree angle, scoop in through the belly. 4 more, 4, 3, 2, good, holding over there, tiny little pulse. Press to the sky. Good, that back knee stays in line with that back hip, front knee stays in line with that ankle. Good, option to pop that heel off the ground, keep pulsing up. Let's go over 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and release. Awesome job. Let's keep that leg long behind us. Hinging forward at the hips, opposite side. Let's reach the palms out this time. 2 counts back, nice and slow. Reach and down, good. Exhale, lift, reach around. Lower single counts, let's go. Good. Option to add on that step forward as we come through center. And then extend the leg long. Little extra movement in the lower body, little extra challenge. Good, exhale, lift, inhale, lower. Let's go over 4 more. 3, good, 2, holding back there, tiny little pulse, little lift. Maybe we lift the toe off the ground, keep pulsing. Let's go for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and release. Great job. Let's step together in that parallel position. One more time, rolling the shoulders onto the back. Let's pull the elbows in, palms face back. We're gonna reach back for 2, and in. 1 more, reach. Good, single counts, let's go. Good, making sure that shoulder isn't rolling forward, right? Keep it on the back. Good. Again, option to go for those heel pops one at a time, or maybe both. Good. Or stay flat-footed, right? You decide what's best for you today. Good, extend and squeeze. You got it, 4 more. Let's go over 4, 3, 2, good, let's hold back there, tiny little pulse, right at the top, lift. Good, make sure that wrist isn't broken, right? Keep it nice and long, in line with that forearm. Let's go over 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, towards center, let's squeeze. Let's bring it in, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Good for 8, 7, 6, last 4, 3, 2, and release. Good, coming up through center. Let's take it into those nice hammer curls. Palms face in, soften through the knees. 2 counts, let's curl. Up for 2, and down. One more slow. Lift. Good single counts here. Let's go. Up. Good. Again, full range of motion, all the way up, all the way down. Keep those elbows tucked in. Good. Exhale, inhale. Nice. 4 more. 4, 3, good. 2, let's hold it 90 degrees. Find a little pulse, little squeeze. Again, with every contraction, really feeling the bicep work. Good. Stay with it for 8, 7, 6. Good. 4, 3, 2, and release. Great job. Shake it off. Nice work, everyone.
Hey Bar Babes, it's Ella here. I hope that you enjoyed that workout. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment below. I love to hear from you. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the bell for notifications on our next bar workout. See you soon.